In this video, I'm going to reveal how to promote a product on social media for housewives and other niche groups. It's Dexx from Unique Profit Systems, and for over a decade, I've helped small business owners to increase their sales by 30% or more in as little as 30 days. And one problem that I've observed time and time again is that when it comes to promoting products and services for sale, many businesses fail to ensure that their sales message and choice of media to deliver that message actually matches their target market. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, if the message, media, and market don't line up correctly, then your marketing efforts will generate little, if any, of the desired results you are hoping for. One of the reasons why this happens, and it happens quite often, is that business owners will sabotage their own results by identifying the right market for the product and the right message, but how they deploy their marketing through social media compared to traditional advertising is completely flawed. For example, if your business is planning to leverage the power of social media to promote a product to housewives, stay-at-home parents, etc., then it must be done in a way that comes across as natural for that specific platform. Here's a good way to implement this. Step 1, take a look at the existing pages, profiles, influential accounts, etc., that your target market is already following and are highly engaged with. By doing this, you can see what already appeals to them and what they naturally gravitate towards. Step 2, create and implement a marketing message that blends in naturally to the type of content your target market is already highly responsive to. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, just take what's already working and adapt it to your message for your products and services. And finally, step 3, ensure your sales message clearly states the advantage your product or service provides to the target market, for example, housewives, compared to their existing options. By doing this, you naturally will set yourself on a different level and make people gravitate towards you because you address a lot of the things that the other competing options don't. Now that we've covered how to promote a product on social media for housewives and other specific groups, which type of media will you use to reach your target market? Post your answer below and let me know. Also, click the like button and subscribe to get notified on future videos for greatly increasing your sales and marketing results. And be sure to watch my previous video on how to sell new products with minimal risk in 2020. I'll talk to you soon.